Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the Frozen City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the settings icon at the right side of the screen, and here you can find the last option, the language, and just click to the English button, and here you can select another language, for example Chinese, Korean, Espanol, Deutsch and more, and just select one and click to the next circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.